Okay, here we go. Let's see if we're live.
You can see what you're...
Okay, we should be going live any second now. There we go. Copy, send it to Twitter, and then we'll start the stream. There we go. All right. Okay, let's post in the Discord, and then we'll start the stream. Very, very, very tired today. Oh, there's another scam person in my Discord, like always. Okay, we're good. Good morning, Zahid. How are you doing? Good morning, Weedy. Good morning, Rex. How's it going, my man? Long time no see, bro. I'm very under the weather this morning. I'm losing my voice because I have a throat sickness. What's up, Uncommon? By the way, guys, I'm streaming on Edgeful's YouTube channel. If you want a stream with zero delay, it's on Edgeful's channel. So join via Edgeful on YouTube. Other than that, today what I'm looking at right now is we can see we kind of broke structure here, right? And we left it in balance. Throughout Asian range, we hung around that imbalance. What up? How you been trading? I've been pretty good, Sailors. What about you? I need this. I need one more winning trade to secure, to get my payout, and hopefully it's a big winning trade today. Now, on terms of this, if you drop down a time frame, you can see that we've been consolidating. Wow, my throat is getting worse as I speak. Sorry, guys. Okay, so you can see that we've been consolidating throughout the whole day. If we're going to go down into this imbalance, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be taking out sell-side liquidity. Now, that is taking out into intermediate time frame liquidity and trading into a higher time frame PD array. So that is ideally what my plan is. I'm waiting for manipulation, then distribution above to buy side. Buy side, we have multiple levels of buy side. We can just do an internal range buy side, right? And then we can also aim for something a little bit higher up today. If we go on to the forex calendar, we're going to see that we have no news, orange folder. So I'm not going to anticipate we're going up to these highs today, but I can anticipate because we're going to be reacting off of this fair value gap, we can go up to some sort of intermediate term high in this range. So there's highs up there. I'm going to measure out these highs here. I'm going to measure out, we would want to see a Judas, technically, yeah, a 930 Judas swing. So there's our buy side liquidity. What's up, Jason? What's up, Uncommon? Drink some tea. I really hate tea. I don't know what it is. I just can't drink tea. I'll yak. I'll throw up. Okay, we took sell side liquidity, but now we're looking up higher. It's not even 930 yet, so I still want to wait for us to trade into here at 930. Bitcoin up to 94K. Isn't that all-time highs? Nvidia up basically nothing in the pre-market. We got our earnings today. or technically tomorrow. It's Wednesday the 20th, but what time is it at? It'll impact tomorrow. I'm anticipating. Nope. It should be today. I think the Nvidia earnings are at 4 o'clock though, no? Okay, we're ripping lower prior to 9:30. It's not even 9:30 yet. What's it going, Savior? How's it going? Nvidia earnings might pump up the markets today. Exactly. I think we're going to be very bullish. You see, we're trading down to this 4-hour BISI here. We have to also have this inversion for reference if we go below consequent course for this 4-hour BISI, but again, I'm not looking for too much. I'm only looking for longs today. But my bias could change. It usually changes. Here you can see a previous opening range gap has been filled. So the 15 minute, you can see it's a small opening range gap on the 15 minute at least. We are moving lower. Let's see what the regular trading hours has on terms of buy side. So we have this massive gap to fill out on the regular trading hours. So this is another more confirmation that we're going to be moving higher. Because this second buy side is also regular trading hour gap high. Right, and I'm going to measure this. And then we have this new week opening gap that we touched many times. So I'm actually going to ignore that and put it to this high, which is just below this new week opening gap that price has reacted to a bunch of times and then traded lower. As you can see here, this is our target, this new week opening gap. Now, our main target today is this high right here from Asian range. This is the regular trading hour gap high. This is what I'm aiming for tonight or today, this morning. What's up, B1? How's it going? So that's what I'm aiming for to secure another payout. But 9:30 is still a little bit away, so we're going to be patient today. And not really do anything. 758 subscribers. You guys are actually crazy. It's not that long ago, it wasn't that many. Oh, 759. Thank you for that one subscriber. So sorry about my throat, guys. It's gonna be better tomorrow. I'll take some medicine for it. But I didn't have time to take medicine today. I just need to eat healthier, to be honest. Now, on terms of bias, I'm still very confident in longs. I think this is manipulation. Again, my eyes right now are looking at, hold on. Short term buy side liquidity. And then I'll put draw liquidity. All right, so we measured out our liquidity. That's what I'm aiming for. That's short-term liquidity. So depending on the trade, I could either take profit or I could partial and drag, partial there, and then draw liquidity up there. Do I stream every day? I stream every single day I trade. I don't stream every single day I trade on edgeful like I am right now. I do on my personal account, but I stream 2 days a week on edgeful. Nice hoodie. Thank you, my man. Western. Sudden volatility injection might be because of the geopolitical news. What geopolitical news? Anything new happened this morning? What happened this morning? More Russia? Oh no. British storm shadow missiles into Russia. So they're using British and American missiles into Russia. That's so sad. But there's nothing we can do about it right now. What's my personal Benjamin underscore ICT? You look better without the hat. Thank you, my man. But I'm it was tough waking up this morning, so I didn't do my hair. Do you think it will tap a 4-hour bullish for a value gap? Then my side, that's what I'm anticipating price to do. Bob Genter, I am the 59th subscriber. Do you always trade with those tight stop losses? Not always, and they're actually not really tight stop losses. It's because when I take my photo, sometimes I forget to drag my stop loss back to where it actually was, and I dragged it to like when I dragged my stop loss to minimize a loss. But I trade on the 1 minute, and sometimes when I catch a daily range, it looks like the stop loss is very small. But it's because I left a runner. So you can see prior to 9:30, we're ripping up higher. I'm not falling for that. I still think we're going to go down to that 4-hour BISC. As terms of ES is going to do that as well. Did trade into that top of the breaker, but I think we got a little bit more room to move lower on ES. On YM, we also are trading lower. I think we're still going to rip up higher on YM. I don't know what YM looks completely different. My eyes are on NQ right now. My eyes are on the higher time frame of NQ until we tap into this area, and then I'll drop down to the lower time frame. But on terms of that, I'm just staying patient, waiting for longs. You see my draw on liquidity, buy side liquidity, regular trading hour gap high, short-term buy side liquidity, which is the swing high that we formed to trade lower into this BISC. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think we have SMT on those lows, do we? No, we don't. NVIDIA up just barely on the just 0.3% pre-market. Tesla down 0.2%. Bitcoin's at an all-time high, which is crazy. Keep it on in the video because we got NVIDIA earnings today. Weedy, great analysis. Thank you, my man. But yeah, hey, we are getting closer every single day to that 1,000 subscriber goal, and I'm so grateful, guys. Thank you. You see our regular trading hour gap right here. It's not confirmed yet, as you can see, but we did fill out the previous day one. We haven't filled out this one. That's why I'm so confident in longs, is because that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna go fill out the high of this regular trading hour gap. Let me get out of the regular trading hours. SMT on 15-minute high. I'm not worried about bearish SMT right now. I think we're just doing that just to trade into the 4-hour BISC. But I could be wrong, you know? We could be reacting off of this daily civvy. Right? We have a daily civvy here. That price could be reacting off of, and we could trade lower down here or here. Or we could rip below these lows because of this news that's coming up. Do I think that's going to happen? What I think is going to happen is we trade into this 4-hour BISC. We trade up to these highs. We go up to all-time highs, and NVIDIA has good earnings. As you look at the daily chart, yeah, it's reacting off of the civvy, right? But if you look at the weekly chart, it's reacting off of this order block, and it's also respecting consequent encroachment of this inversion. So you can look here. We drag this out, by the way, it's 9:30, and you can see consequent encroachment of the inversion is being respected. The monthly, we're still a little bullish. All right, 9:30 is driving us lower, just like we anticipated. What's up, Sharo? How's it going? It's a khid. Do bearish S&P at the high? I think so. But I usually don't like these kinds of SMT because it happens a while ago, in my opinion. I don't really pay attention to SMT unless I'm about to enter into a trade or I'm looking for a reversal. So right now I don't care if we have bearish SMT. And doesn't the 4 hour look like a 2022 model price action sweep liquidity book structure? It is. It is. 4 hour is a market structure shift for value gap. Low, high, lower, lower, high, high, rejection block. Look at that wick. Trades into here and then moves higher. That's what I want to see price to do. But again, it could leave it open. Ideally, I don't want to see it leave it open. I want to see it continue up higher. But anything's possible. What's up, Vega? How's it going? All good, still working, getting a payout. Nice, my man. Sorry, I didn't see your message, Rex. And I thought you stopped trading, so as long as you're still trading, you're still winning. So you can see that price is drawing down to that SIBI now. Or BISI. Sorry. 4 hour BISI. Ben, do you have a good understanding of rejection blocks? No. I don't trade them. I used to. No, I'm just paying attention to this wick, right? Price should not go below this bottom of this wick, right? It also lines up with this new week opening gap, which is pretty nice. 2 of them, actually. These are trapped sellers that price should not go below, especially here, too. Ideally, it should not go below the bottom of this wick. But I don't think it's going to go anywhere near that. I think we're trading into this BISI and then moving higher. K-Show Canal. Are you going to start a paid Discord soon? No. I don't sell paid services. I might in the future sell a product, but I don't sell mentorships or private Discords. I do all my content for free on YouTube. Did I see your message? All I saw was SIBI Vega. I don't know if it probably didn't send. Maybe it's against terms of service on YouTube. Because that happens quite a bit. Because the only message you sent in this chat today is SIBI. Just the word SIBI. But other than that, we're about to approach this 4 hour BISI. Tell them to hit the like button. You tell them, Bob. Let's hear it. Hit the like button, guys. Can you explain that? I can't see your message. How do find it? Oh, how do I find SIBIs? It's just bearish fair value gaps. That's a SIBI. That's a SIBI. That's a SIBI. That's a SIBI. It's pretty. ICT will be proud of you, man. Hey, thank you, bro. Hopefully. He's seen me a couple times, but he's yet to stop by the stream. He's yet to stop by the stream. He'll stop by sometime. Soon. But we're approaching this 4 hour BISI. I'm going to look for longs after that. Been a while. How's it going, Jordy? It's going good. About to get a payout. We'll win one more trade. And then we secure a little bit of moolah. Good Christmas. I'll use it for, not all of it, but like, I sure hope not all of it. But I'll use some of it for Christmas shopping. A nice Christmas gift. No worries, Vega. Good morning, One Boy. What's your name, One Boy? Because I feel like it's awkward. You're always in my chat, and I don't want to call you just Boy. You know what I mean? But right now, we have traded into that 4 hour BISI. So I'm going to drop down to the 1 minute time frame. And I'm anticipating price to take all this out. You can see 9:30. manipulate. We have our opening range gap up here. How big is it? $35. What's up, unknown? How's it going? Good sell side at 27.08. We already took it. We already took it. We're officially in the 4-hour BISI, so now I'm paying attention to price wanting to reverse upside. What are the chances it goes up there? Up here? That's what I'm aiming for today. Use edgeful, eh? Let's use edgeful then. Let me load it up real quick. And we'll see. Futures, NQ, gap fill. What are the chances that we go up? Yes. Let's go 100%. Gap up. 61%. We fill it up in the same session. As you can see, it explains what those gaps are. If we go to buy size though. Okay, we're moving lower now. If you look at buy size though, this is a cool feature. Let's go. Let's see how big this gap is. Let's use a ruler. It is 17%. So if we look here, we go to 17, 0.9 to 0.17. Or 0.17%, not 17%, sorry. So it's in this range. 95% of the time, the gap up is filled. 100%. Now, the lower we go, like if it's a major gap, we don't fill it up. All right? But there's a 95% chance we're going to fill this gap. NVIDIA earnings, exactly. NVIDIA earnings. I'm so excited. I'm in NVIDIA. If you know me, you know that I'm a big NVIDIA holder. Freaking unicorn down to 620-ish. 1 hour chart. Oh yeah, we're about to rip up higher, guys. This is a very clean setup. This is manipulation. Look, we're in that 4 hour BISI. We're gonna go up to buy side. Can't see the opening gap. It's this. Oh, it's this green thing. Because I have electronic trading hours, you can see it here. Oh, we have relative equal highs here too. Yes, please. Everything's lining up right now, guys. Everything's lining up. Regular trading hour. Right here. But there's a possibility that we could just continue down the sell side, and I'm 100% factoring that in. 95% sounds good to you. Yep. How's the indicator work? Can you put one on? I don't really use the indicators, so I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know. I think it's this one. I'm not too sure. I think it just shows where the opening range gap is or something. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with their indicators because I don't use indicators that often. Other than that, thank you, 759 subscribers. If you are new, I stream every single day I trade. We have past 150K, multiple 150K funded accounts all on live stream, and we also brought them up to 1 day away from payouts, which could be today. So don't miss out on an opportunity to learn while I learn as well, because I stream everything. I also have a free Discord. What sell side do you think is most likely to be taken? I don't think we're going for sell side. I think we're rebalancing into an imbalance. As you can see, we're in this inversion for value gap now too. I want to see price slow down. If price does not slow down, then like it's not looking too good. Let's see. Bearish prior to their earnings. What was last earnings was a mess. They did really good, but they gapped away lower. This earnings was good. They had a small range day prior to it. This earnings, were bearish prior to it. So yeah, bearish prior to it. Looks like we could possibly continue up higher tomorrow because earnings come out 4 p.m. 760, you got it. Hey, thank you, my man. Thank you. 760 subscribers. You guys are insane. Oh, I almost just closed my training view. How's it going, John? What's up? Thank you for stopping by the stream. First time here. We stream every single day. I stream every single day I trade. I stream 2 days a week on edgeful like I'm doing right now, and I also stream on my personal account every single time I trade. On top of that, I'm still looking for some longs. I still think I don't like how it's lacking rejection, and it just lowers this liquidity running lower. But we're not even during a macro time frame right now, so we're not even at a macro time frame, so we can be patient here. Take our time. I think 950 macro could deliver some bullish price action. We are slowing down in this inversion, as you can see. Hopefully. Looks like we're not. We took this intermediate term low. Other than that, we have 17 minutes to see where this 4-hour candle closes. If it inverts it, I'm going to look for shorts. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is also ripping lower. It's also in the inversion. It's in the BPR. But there's also a 1-hour breaker here. See that fair value gap? That's very clean on ES. You look at NQ. We also have that. That's what it could be drawing to. So I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to draw out this hourly fair value gap. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This is the fair value gap we're looking for. If we also get our range here, let me close this. You can see that what is in a discount. This is key. I totally forgot about this, but the reason why we're trading so deep is because all this is a premium from this range to that range. This fair value gap is just at equilibrium to a discount. If we measure it by the bodies, though, because it's a higher time frame, you can see still relatively the same. But we are getting some rejection to the upside now. That's the unicorn you're talking about? Yeah, it's really clean, Jordy. What's my win rate? Like 50%. But my wins are like 4, 5, 6 RR. How old am I? I'm 18 years old, farming. Bro, what were you saying I was getting T? Oh, you were getting T? What? I don't know what I was talking about. What, I forgot, dude. I can't remember what I was talking about you with. In terms of that, I think we're going to rip up higher. Ideally, I want to see a market structure shift. I haven't even loaded up Top Step yet, so let me do that. Today could be a big day, fellas, but it could also be a losing day, and I got to stay disciplined. I'm going to get my phone out to calculate my lots. Get my calculator out. So we have this high here that we're formed. We traded into a SIBI, and we're trading lower. If we trade above it, that would be a good look. Ideally, I would want to trade into a fair value gap bullishly at a macro time. If you guys are new and you're joining the stream, please subscribe. It helps me out. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscriber goal by the end of the year. And on top of that, I stream every single day I trade. So as you put on notifications, you'll know every single time I'm streaming, and you'll never miss a stream. First percent of fair value gap, that's for 10. That's for after 10 o'clock. I'm talking about the macro. Sir Benjamin, I only see 10 lecture of ICT videos. I see a lot of my progress. How much do I need to practice? If you've only watched 10 videos, dude, you're nowhere near it. I've watched probably 300. You got a long way to go, fella. How's it going, BK? Good morning. Or Arpit. Arpit. You can see some reaction to the upside here. ES formed relative equal lows. YM moving up bullishly now. I want to see a displacement to the upside, though. I'm just being careful because we also have a 5-minute SIB here. But we are reacting off of this 4-hour. And we're about to close this candle, too, as well. We traded into this inversion. So ideally, I want to see this be the low. We have this for value gap here. So if I was to take this trade, what would it be? I'm not taking it yet because there's a lack of displacement. I'm just measuring it out. That would be a lot of RR, and that's not even my final take profit. Obviously, I'll take a lot of profits, but like I'm not going to go for the draw on liquidity today. I'll go for the buy side regular trading hour gap high. So there's a big potential of like a big trade possibly. There's this little fair value gap it kept nested. I'm not going to trade that. I'm going to wait. I almost watch all of ICT videos. Yeah. Benjamin, don't you have a Discord? I do have a Discord. It's free. Macro time sim, exactly. Check Discord. 10, I'll check it in a second. Oh, I saw. Sniped with 0. Nice, my man. Look at this trade, Tanner sent. 0 drawdown. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, Tanner. Almost at 200 members. Nice, nice, nice. Anyways. I'm not in this, by the way. I'm not in this. I'm just paying attention to see what it's doing. There's still a lack of displacement, so I'm not going to trade into it. I think we're going to possibly go down to these lows one more time. You can see at the 5-minute, we traded into this 5-minute SIB, and it's still pushing a little bit lower, so still not anticipating a reversal as of just now. Bro, that's a 10 RR trade. I know. You think we could get back to back 10 RR trades? Four days in a row of 10 RR trades. So far I have 3. How do I join the Discord? It's on my I think it's in my most recent video description. If it's not there, then it's on my Twitter, in my bento link. Or not in my bento link. It's on my Twitter, pinned on the first post. Or at the end of the stream or something, I could send you a link. If you find my Twitter, you'll find it. How much do you risk on my XFAs? 500 to 600 bucks per 150k account. Ben, quick question. What's up, Zahid? Other than that, still waiting for a displacement to the upside. Just gonna be patient here. Did we trade into that hourly? Did we trade into this? We did. Yeah, right there. I think we're going to trade a little bit deeper, though. I think we'll swipe out these lows, form a microstructure shift when we break that high, and then I'll catch a long. But there's a possibility that we could just continue down bearishly for the rest of the day because we are very bearish right now. You see that rejection off that 1-minute SIBI? Fairly clean. God bless you today, brother. Thanks for all you do. Thank you, Jay Void. Thank you for stopping my streams. You know, I couldn't be doing this every single day if you guys aren't in my streams giving me company. You know, I used to be a video gamer streamer and not to many viewers, and you guys don't really know how boring it is to stream and constantly try to talk about something when no one's talking to you in chat. It's like you're talking to yourself. When you're in a trade and if everything you have analyzed should be aligned with your narrative and the trade should not be in drawdown, and if it is in drawdown it's fine but not for long. Yeah, it depends on the trading conditions until you have realized that we definitely don't want to either trade higher or lower, then cut the trade either half or close depending on the conditions, right? Or your entry. If you took your entry at the wrong time, you could have a little bit of drawdown. But again, if you said everything's perfect, including time, then it could be the conditions. It could either be a losing trade or it could be high resistance liquidity run. But I'm a firm believer of you set up trade, you keep that trade. You don't really mess with it for a little bit until you're in profit or loss. Bro got Discord link. You got it? All right. Good looks. Love joining you for these streams. Keep the company while I'm on the charts, so thanks. Hey, no worries. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you being here. S&T is there for buy. What on ES? It is. Beautiful. Let's get ready, fellas. Let's get ready for a ride today. We have a combined viewer count of 100 viewers right now. All-time high. Why I say combined is because I'm also streaming on edgeful's YouTube, which is 31 viewers right now, and we have 80, so 110 viewers. Thank you guys so much. You guys are amazing. It's on my Twitter, Henry. Any plan to live regularly? I do every single day I trade. You just got to be tuned in to my socials to know when I'm live because I tweet about it every single day. I stream 2 days a week on Edgeful, so make sure to stop by for that. And which is what I'm doing right now. And then I also stream every day I trade on my personal. Where's the link to join the Discord? It's the pinned post on my Twitter, Henry. Wait, what's MT now? At the 1 minute lows. Let's get to this man to 1K sub. He's so underrated. Thank you, Tanner. Need to get them likes up. Hopefully. Hey, I'm pretty sure that boosts me on the YouTube feed. Likes. So, Tanner, thank you. I can't see it, guys. You can't see it, Jordy? Low, high. Low, lower, low. It's right there. You don't see this? Are you using CME data? I think ES is moving up higher, right? No, it's not. We're just consolidating right now. So we're all we're lacking is the displacement to the upside. Nvidia on the lower time frame looks like it wants to move up higher. We traded down to that 4-hour BISC BPR price range, and we're going to be trading up higher. Yeah, everything's kind of lining up. The stars are lining up to move higher. I'm not going to lie. Bitcoin, 94.4K. Wow. What else is up? Ooh, MicroStrategy is moving. They're doing that like Bitcoin reserve thing. Bro, wait for the first percent for value up to get closed. Well, it's not even 10 o'clock yet. Easy week this week? Exactly, Adrian. Pretty clean, easy, simple week this week. Grateful of it. Thank you guys for 762 subscribers. You guys are amazing. How to join regular live? You open up YouTube and you open up the stream. I stream on YouTube. I don't stream privately. I swear it makes a teeny tiny low on TopStep X. Should be CME data though. TopStep X actually I find has different data. That's why I don't trade on TopStep X. I use it, but because of their rules, no consistency rules and all that. That's why I use TopStep X. But and they're copy trader. Dude, I'm so sick. I feel so nasty. And it's so yucky out. It's like gray. It's not raining, but it's like drizzling. And it's just not the greatest day outside of the charts. MNQ took the low, but NQ didn't. Yeah, micros is also decoupled sometimes. That's why I stay on the NQ. I trade micros, but I watch NQ. But again, we're trading lower into this hourly for value gap. Sorry, excuse me, guys. So that's what my eyes are at right now. We're at 80 viewers on my personal. Wow, you guys are amazing, bro. You guys are absolutely amazing. Same, just getting over being sick for 2 weeks. I swear everybody's been getting sick recently. And it's not just like a cold or a flu. It's like a throat problem. Everybody's had a throat and a nose problem. Why don't you trade NQ? Just curious, because the contracts are way too big. I like trading micros because then I can take more partials. NQ is divided by 20 and micros is divided by 2. So, for example, if I was to calculate my stop loss, I'd do like 500 divided by 20 or 500 divided by my stop loss divided by 2 for micros. But then I would do 500 divided by my stop loss divided by 20 for minis, and I have way less contracts to play with. I don't like that. There's no point. There's no point in trading minis. Do you work out when you're sick? Of course. I work out every day. No excuses. Lol, how come everyone is sick, even in family friends? I know. It's just, I don't know. It's the weather, probably. It's because it's turning winter. Right now, we're still looking for some rejection to buy side liquidity. Not rejection. We're like rejection from moving lower. Bullish price action and displacement above these highs for some for some longs. Bearish AM session to manipulate for Nvidia earnings later, possibly. But if you're using that logic, your bearish AM could manipulate, but it could also engineer liquidity, which means bearish Nvidia earnings. But I don't think we're gonna have bearish Nvidia earnings. Last earnings, we surprised the earnings by a lot, but we moved lower on the charts. So I think after Trump's presidency, after the election, Nvidia is going to move up higher. Nvidia also, in the time being from last earnings to this earnings, got listed on the Dow and upped their market cap. 762 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. If you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe. Sir Ben, which year mentorship of the ICT videos? You see all of them. I started with the 2022 mentorship. That's what you need to start with. Then I went to 2016-17. Then I went to 2023. Then I'd watch a little bit of 2024. Yeah. And then I watched some of his old videos from his private mentorships that I got my hands on. But those didn't really help. I'm not going to lie. Ben, isn't that IO Fed on the bearish Sibi? It is. No, it's not. Right here it is. Right here it is. It's a clean reaction. But again, I'm looking at the higher time frame. Still waiting for a reversal to the upside. We actually closed that 4-hour inversion and BISC. Wow, okay, I might revert my bias here, fellas. We might be bearish. I think we're going to be bearish, fellas. We inversed it. All right, now I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to draw out this, because price should go trade back into here for a potential inversion play. Wow. Well, we adapt and we move on. See the little fair value gap here, but it's getting disrespected. It's very choppy price action, so there's a possibility we could move up higher. Like, I still think we could still be bullish. Because, yes, we inverted the 4-hour, but look at what we're doing to this 1 hour. right? Look how the 1 hour respect consequent encroachment is moving up higher. I still don't want to let go of my long bias. I just don't want to do it. I still feel like we're gonna move up higher. But we are moving up higher now. Kind of getting some speed at 10 a.m. I'm not taking this first presented fair value gap, by the way, guys. That is just like asking to get stopped out. It could work, but like, come on. What are the odds of that? I'm going to wait for these highs to get taken because my drawn liquidity is way up higher. And again, you see we're trading down lower now. What could be a drawn liquidity if we're not reacting off this 1 hour BISI or inversion or whatever we're in, the breaker would be this low. Still looking for longs though, fellas. Just like, are we gonna move lower? That looks like we want to move lower and rip lower. But just looking at price, this just looks like it wants to continue up higher. I'm short target 525. Why 525? What's a 525? Nine a.m. candle seems that have no wick up on top. Just saying, could be my chart. 9 a.m. candle. 9 a.m. candle has a wick. You can see a little bit one there and a little one there. I don't know why I don't feel comfortable shorting right now. The daily looks completely bearish, correct? But what does the weekly looks bullish? The 4 hour looks a little bearish now. The 1 hour looks bullish. And I don't know. I think we could be bearish now. I could test a small short, to be honest, depending on how we react here. See where we're going. See if we could go down to these lows. I'll take the equal body lows. I still don't think that's what's going to happen. Look, we're already closing out this displacement. All right. Yeah, look, we're trading into it, rejecting it right away. I'm going to try testing this here. Just a very small little position.
Order filled.
Just in case with low resistance liquidity run way lower. And I don't catch a trade, I'll just write it down to these lows. In case we do have a very bearish day today. But I don't think that's the case. I'm going to drag my stop loss. Literally a free trade already. To the high of the fair value gap. We shouldn't retest this fair value gap, so I'm dragging my stop loss to break even. Just like that, we're in a free trade, zero risk. Just like that. Asian highs already rated during London. This should invalidate distribution post 9:30 a.m. But I could be wrong. Possibly. I mean, we could rip lower, and if we do, I'm in it. So. Okay, I already have a winning day, guys. I could close and take my payout. I could close this trade right now and take my payout. but I'm not going to. Because we're ripping lower. We traded below this. It doesn't show anything that it wants to respect it, so I'm going for previous day low. All right. Stop loss at the top of this candle. We lose it, we lose it. I don't care. I can make it back. We recently hit a daily inverted varial, which was probably the reason for the push down, plus 50% of weekly order book. Wow. Yeah, I think we flipped very bearish now. But we have a free trade, fellas. And we're in it to win it. If we move down a little bit more, I'll drag my stop loss to stop and profit to guarantee a winning day, and then we'll take our payout. No trade for you today. Hey, listen, it's all good, my man. Break even, don't care. Exactly. Called this 525. Yeah. Okay. Calm yourself, Tanner. What did you do? Yo. That's crazy. That's a crazy statement to say about trading. But oh, incoming. I'm an idiot. I'm sorry, Tanner. I'm sorry. You could kind of guess what I thought you said. Yeah, Tanner, you're a sniper, bro. He called this, and look at the trade he was in. He sent in my Discord too. You see that? So clean. New week opening gap should be the draw on liquidity. If you ever took the shorts with Ben. You talking about that? I'm looking for the lows. The previous day low. We inverted so many bullish PD arrays. I think we're going down. We're going down. I'm yelling timber. Boy's mind is in the gutter. Hey, come on, bro. You can bro. The only difference from that is an M on the in. So cut me a little bit of slack, bro. Listen. It's the morning. I'm tired. I'm sick. I'm not thinking straight. All right, you see clean reaction on that first presented Sibby. You're about to get canceled on YouTube, lol. All right, we're ripping down lower. Once we touch the new week opening gap, I'm dragging my stop loss to plus $200 in profit to secure my payout. Going down. I'm yelling timber. We still got a lot to go, fellas. 18 RR, by the way. Just to let you guys know that this short will be 18 RR. Obviously, I'll take partials, though. Come on. So it won't actually be 18 because of the partials. I barely put any contracts in though because I wanted to play it safe. Which is a shame. I should have put more contracts in, but it's whatever. How many macros do you use going into that short? 3 contracts, bro. Nothing crazy. 18 RR. I'm not lying. It is 18 RR. And it's working. By the way, my stop loss is dragged to this high. Guaranteed payout. Don't put that on Twitter. You'll think you're a furu. I can put that on Twitter because it's on live stream. I'll literally post the Twitter of the video of me taking it and calling it live. Made my 200 for the day. Nice, Void. SMT, bro. You got a much better entry than me. Hey. Don't know what to say. I'm kidding. It happens, bro. You were too slow. It's all good. It's time to tag Pat. No, Andrew. It's time to at Patrick Wyland. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't want this guy to come for me. Hopefully we don't go up to here, because if we do and I get stopped out, that's not as big as a payout. But we did secure a payout. So everybody, you were here. If you were here and you witnessed these past few streams that accumulated my payout, you can say that you were here. Why not more contracts? Because I didn't want to risk more. Tapped into the new week opening gap. I might close. New week opening gap. I'm not going to close it just yet. Check the court again, Benny boy. I'm coming for you on Top Step leaderboard. Hey Tanner, I hope you do good. Listen, I hope the best for everybody in this stream. Made 400 pre-market, another 400 now, hoping to pass 50K this week. Hopefully, my man, but don't force anything. By the way, if you guys are new and you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Plus, you can put on notifications and know when I'm streaming every single day. I stream 2 days a week on Edgeful and the rest on my channel. Bro, these last few days you've been flipping biases last minute and still catching big wins. Yeah, it's adapting to the markets and what the hands play. I'd never keep a strict bias. Bro, check regular trading hour previous New York Open lineup with new week opening gap. Yeah, we have these lows that we could reverse up. I can't speak. Reverse up off of. Oh my gosh. I'm still going for previous day low though. Obviously, I'm dragging my stop loss. I say it's too late to get in now, Vega. Okay, 10:15 should bring us a little bit more speed to the downside. I want to see a little bit more speed to the downside here. Nvidia's falling down 2.3%. Tesla's down 2.3%. The markets are red, fellas. Except for Bitcoin. This has been skyrocketing recently. Bitcoin still pushing up higher. XRP pushing up higher. Other than that, nothing. MicroStrategy pushing up higher as well, up 9%, which is crazy. We're pushing down lower even more on NQ, which is what I like to see. No, actually not. We're staying in the same area. It's never too late. Full port, be a man. Hey, my stop loss is here. I'm not going to cut my trade yet. I could have risked a little more. being this was my one trade that I could take. But listen, I'd rather secure my money and take it out. Be smart. Fearful when you're greedy, greedy when you're fearful. Is there any correlation with the VIX and NQ? The VIX is the volatility index, and the NQ is a stock market. Like, it's a ETF. So I don't think so. I wouldn't say. I mean, the VIX is very volatile today for some reason. Wow. Wowzers. That thing is flying. To take in how much volatility this was is insane. There we go. We're ripping lower. Looking at the daily chart, we're still drawing to previous day low here. What is SMT? Smart money technique, I'm pretty sure. Smart money something. It's when ES and NQ or YM create a higher high and a lower low. For example, low, high, lower, low, higher, high, and then ES would do low, high, higher, low, higher, high. But we are continuing to rip lower. Dude, oh, this is going to be a big payout. I'm actually happy, man. I'm actually very happy. Oh, man. It's actually pretty crazy to me. Like, it's just hitting me, man. Like, dude, I'm 18 years old and I'm securing a massive payout like this, bro. And it's in US dollars as well. It's crazy, bro. Do you watch YM for SMTs as well, or just DS? Just DS. Sometimes I peek at YM though. I think of going for longs after 10:30 medium impact if opportunity presents. I don't think so. We already disrespected so many bullish PD arrays, and it's obviously showing respect to the daily bearish SIBI. So, I don't know. Okay, we're in this SIBI here. Should move lower from it. Hard work pays out. Thank you. I don't really want to say how much of a big of a payout. I'll tell you it's in the 5 digits. I'm not a big guy. I'm talking about my money. Hey, never give up, because literally less than 6 months ago, I had zero payouts, $0. I was negative in trading, and now I'm about to secure the biggest payout of my life. So, listen, never give up, because you don't know when you could succeed. 18 is crazy. Thank you, Franklin. Can I share my YouTube channel? It's Benjamin_ICT. It's just hitting me, bro. Right now, I'm just milking. Every single ticket goes down is more profits in my pocket. And I can, like, it doesn't even hit me, like, how good of a Christmas I could give my family now. Like, I could really give my family a good Christmas now. We haven't been able to celebrate a good Christmas in a long time. My mom's been unemployed for a year. And yeah, just a lot of rough things. So it's actually really nice that I can finally say that as this thing's ripping lower, I can give my family a good Christmas. It's just a blessing, man. It's just a blessing. Wow. Take profit as previous day low, Lorianne. This is just crazy to me, man. Like, in in May of this year, I had zero payouts, and like, it's just crazy to me. I had 0 payouts in May of this year. And now I'm about to secure the biggest payout of my life just around Christmas time at 18 years old. Bigger payout than what a lot of people 40 years older than me has ever gotten. So it's just crazy. I'm so glad I'm where I am now. Of course, my man. Of course. Of course, boy. Boy. Of course. Lord is always faithful. That much we know. Exactly, man. And I can't sit here and take away all the glory from God, who actually is the only reason why I'm here today. So, I'm very grateful of what He's doing with me and how He's shaping me into the person I need to be. But yeah, it's crazy. Just hasn't even hit me yet, man. It hasn't even hit me. Same position as you got any advice. I'm struggling mentally and my parents are going through a lot. There's not like a piece of advice that I'm gonna say that's gonna click into your head that's gonna make you go, oh my gosh, and flip around and do a full 180. The only thing I'm gonna say is like just show up every day and something's gonna change eventually. You know? Show up every single day and something is gonna change eventually. Why are you excited? It's obvious you have put in so much work. Be appreciative of the and grateful, brother. Thank you, Zahid. Hey, thank you for being in this chat, man. Because I'm not gonna lie, you're in here every single day, and I appreciate it, my man. I'm just learning how to trade. I'm watching and reading and studying everything. Exactly. Just be consistent, Allah. A-L-A? Is it Allah? Or Ayla? Just be consistent. Show up every single day. Praise the God. You came a long way. Keep going. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Proverbs 21:31. Pull that up. Because I don't know that off by heart. I should, though. The horse is made ready for the day of battle, but the victory belongs to the Lord. Exactly. The victory is not mine. What I'm going to be doing with this money is better things. I got a Discord. I do have a free Discord. It's on my Twitter. I don't like this rejection, though. I think we took that regular trading hour gap low, and now we're moving up higher. So I might close. I'm going to close it.
Order filled.
All right. Payout achieved. That's crazy, guys. Like, what was that RR, man? Close it about here. 8 RR on my last trade. On my last trade, I secured 8 RR. Man, like, this is just crazy to me. Oh my gosh. All on live stream, man. All on live stream. This is actually so crazy to me. It was actually crazy. Use this, guys, as motivation for yourselves. Like, I was no different from you guys, you know. Really, honestly, I was no different from you guys. I want to show you guys something. I want to show you guys something about myself. Right, I want to show you something. This was me. Right, this was me 3 years ago. 3 years ago, this was me playing Fortnite, unhappy, not knowing what I'm going to do with my life, and just making a mess of my parents' house and not doing anything. And now I'm securing the biggest payout of my life, a 5-digit payout on 5 150K accounts. Right. And it's crazy to me, you know, and it takes a lot of work, but when you trade like there's no it takes a lot of work, but when you trade when Sorry, I don't know how to speak. I'm trying to type this. When I trade, I don't feel like I'm working anymore. And it's just like I love what I do, and you can look here. I've been doing this kind of for a while now. ICT hasn't noticed me, no. And it's just crazy to me. Thank you, Andrew Wallace. And like you can see, or not today, through a series of every day for about a year, I'm going to be hopping on a schedule. You can see I was trading mentorship on YouTube that I'm learning. This is in my routine, along with a few other things that I'm working on financially. But speaking of routine, I'm gonna go straight into show. This was my routine. You can see here. Right, I had my whole routine drawn out on how I'm gonna achieve this payout that I just achieved. This isn't my first payout, and it won't be my last, but it's my biggest one. And you can see what it took. At 6 p.m. because my meetings is at 7 p.m. You can see me doing work here. I don't want to get copyright strike, so you can see me doing work here. And I did this every single day. You know, like it just hasn't hit me yet, man, but thank you guys for being here. This is probably like the best day of my trading career. It's actually crazy to me. It's crazy to me that this has happened, and I get to help my family out with a good Christmas now. So thank you guys. Thank you guys a lot. It means a lot. What was the mentorship called? It's the ICT 2022 mentorship. Been trading alone and had no community for 2.5 years, and it feels good talking to people who get me. Hey Zahid, we're all gonna grow together. We watch my streams, and we're all gonna grow together, my man. I enjoy helping people. That's why I don't charge. Listen, the reason why I don't charge for any sort of teaching services is I was helped by people for free. And now that I have achieved just today the biggest payout of my career, I feel like it shouldn't be something you have to buy. That's why I stream. That's why I have a free Discord. That's why I post threads on my Twitter about teaching people about concepts. I would do everything for free because I got taught for free. And that's why I do what I do. You know, I'm securing a 5-digit payout. And it's just crazy to me. You know, it's crazy to me that I'm able to do this. So hopefully one day you guys who are watching can be in my position and pass it on. You know, you got taught for free from me, and then you teach other people for free. Same brother lost my dad to cancer. Oh, I'm so sorry, my man. My younger brother a few months after, and now my mom is 29. But God's timing is perfect. I trust in him. The community is building inspired to. Listen, bro, everything happens for a reason. You know, I could sit here and talk about all the bad things that happened about me, but that's irrelevant. Those things that happen, they happen. You know what I mean? They happen to everybody, and the only way you can let it affect you is if you don't let it change you into a better person. Exactly. Jay Void, you'll get through everything you're getting through. It all happens for a reason, my man. Keep showing up. Just keep showing up every single day, and something will change. Crazy, bro. Congratulations. Are you still in school? I just graduated high school. Please don't change. Karma matters. I will not change. Don't worry. Really appreciate you are doing good. Thank you. I teach free yoga and folks in mental health blocks in jail. Hey, listen, regardless of your industry, if you teach for free and you could just do it out of pure love, then you're going to be rewarded. You know, I feel like so many people DM me all the time, say, hey, you should monetize your teachings, you know, make money. Like, that's not the goal. The goal isn't to monetize off of people. The goal is to help people being on this earth, to help people. And then maybe later I'll get paid off for it. But at least I'm not spending my time smoking and doing drugs and drinking every single day. You know, it's the only way it can affect you is if it doesn't change you into a better person. Yeah. The only way it can affect you is if it doesn't change you into a better person. Been here for a while, saw your growth, also growing in my journey. Parallelly, love to see it, bro. You're real for sure. Thank you, my man. That was pretty deep. Yeah, that was low-key a bar that I just spit. That was off the top of my head, too. I'm glad I can inspire you guys. I'm glad that I can help you guys get up and start studying. You know, I showed you videos of me, and that's a fraction of what went on behind the scenes. You know, it takes a lot of effort and practice. Hey, see you later, Tanner. See you later. Thanks for stopping by on the stream. Great trade you caught today. We're actually ripping up higher now. I'm low-key tempted to take another trade, but I'm not going to. Yeah. 10:30 flip. You think we should go for another trade, fellas? No, we're trading into this 15-minute civvy. I'm not doing it. This is a good long 8RR. I gotta be happy with the 8RR. Nice to know there's genuine people in this industry. Yeah, there's a lot of fakes and a lot of money hungry people, and as long as I can be a light of the world, because that's what God taught me to do. 1K subs soon. Hopefully, my man. That's the last goal on my bucket list for this year. I've achieved every single goal I've wanted to achieve this year except for 1,000 subscribers. Only if you have an extra account. What do you mean by an extra account? Full port long? Oh, wait, no. All 5 accounts are... Yeah, you know what? What if I take a long on 1 account? Just like, why not? No, I made my money. Trust your instinct. Look out for it. Yeah, I made my money. I'm going to get off. I'm going to secure the Christmas gift and not do anything. Crazy. Well, ICT courses have helped you the most. 2022 mentorship. And then the core content. We do look like we're going to reverse, though. We took that low on the 1 hour. Traded back into that gap, and I really think we are going to reverse up higher. But we're in a 5-minute civvy, so I'm not going to do it. Lock your accounts and just be safe, yeah. I'm definitely locking myself out. Alright, I'll lock myself out. Thank you for reminding me. Oh, I gotta do it on the other accounts. I forgot I have 5. I have 5 accounts, bro. That's so crazy. Alright, there we go. Crazy, guys. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here during the journey, and we have more to come. How do I sign up for my mentorship? I don't have a mentorship. I don't sell anything. I don't have a mentorship. Definitely inspired me, bro. You were only 18. Keep going. Never forget God. Thank you, Weedy. And 100%. Secure the Christmas gifts, bro, but do a simulation trade for audience. Yeah, you know what? We could do that. Let's connect it. If you guys want to do that, we can do that. Let's connect a paper trading account. Haven't done it in a while, as you can see my balance. Let's do paper trading. So did you just use a trade copy to pass all accounts? I did. Fellow Christian, exactly. I got it tattooed on my arm, fellas. When lost in the darkness, look for the light. That's what it is. Bro, you were an inspiration. Thank you, my man. Hopefully we can get noticed by ICT soon. Hopefully. Okay, let's see. I don't think we're going to move up higher. I think we're going to sell off more. Almost at 770 subscribers. If you guys aren't subscribed already, help me out and subscribe so you know when I am streaming every single day. Also check out Edgeful. You know, I wouldn't be able to stream where I am right now and do many things that I can be doing without Edgeful. You know, they have a great product and it did give me a great edge in the markets. So please check them out. They're a really good company with a great team behind them, right? They got a lot of reports for stocks, cryptos, forex, futures, a bunch of reports. Not all of my videos, no, all of ICT's videos. ICT, Inner Circle Trader. Your story is amazing. ICT will be proud of you. Thank you, my man. Do you know who Charmaine Trades is? ICT student? I don't. Sounds familiar, though. Am I seeing a buy now? Not really. Still think we're going to move lower. Heard about you and wanted to see what you were up to 8 years in following ICT since 2021. How's it going, Adam? Wow, 8 years in, bro. You're a vet, man. Yeah, if you just joined the stream, I just secured the biggest payout of my life on this 8RR trade, on the last trade of that I needed on all 5 accounts. Actually, yeah. And it's crazy. I'm just lost for words. 771 subscribers. You guys are amazing, guys. You guys are actually so crazy. Thank you so much. Will we be streaming tomorrow? On my personal account, yes. Yeah, we could possibly continue up higher now. I'm not interested in it anymore. I'm not interested in trading anymore. I locked myself out. Like, wow. Take care. Thank you for stopping in the stream, my man. I appreciate it. From weed stocks to options and now full-time futures trader. Keep doing your thing. Wish I found futures at your age. Hey, bro. Yeah, you're definitely a vet. You're definitely a veteran. Weed stocks, eh? That's what my mom did. Yeah, futures is great. Thank you. Thank you for the kind words. Wow. Just in shock, man, to be honest. We're continuing up higher. I could take a swing trade. I'll take a paper trade. Let me just long here. I don't know. I'll do 3 contracts. How do I put on executions? Okay, we long here. Stop loss is here. No, that'll be a partial. We'll go up to this high. My bad on grammar. Played the cannabis boom in Canada. Oh, made $3K off with $300. Wow. Yeah, I live in Canada. My mom actually worked as a CMO for a long time ago for a cannabis company during that boom. What types of crypto reports does Edgeful have? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge, USD, XRP, Solana, Litecoin, and then Link. I don't know what Link is. I would have won this trade, by the way, if I would have took it on my XFA. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Zahid. Thank you for stopping by the stream. What firm are you using? What trade copier? TopStep X. $771 subscribers. We're almost at 800, bro. You guys are actually crazy. Oh. Thank you, guys. I'll definitely be tweeting about it today. Let's see where price reacting so far. Right now it's wicking, so I'm still confident in price moving up higher. 183. Sorry, I'm just checking something, guys. Give me a second. Amazing. I can't even look at my payout right now. So close to 1,000 subscribers. Yep. Yes, Alex, we are 200 away, or 230 away. 229 to be exact. Alex, you ready for a good Christmas? If you guys don't already know, that's my girlfriend in chat. So you can let her know how good of a Christmas she might have because of this trade here. Wow. It's just a great day. I'm going to close this paper trade. Don't want to be in it. How do I sign out of paper trading? I don't know. I don't use it. Still probably moving up higher, but I still think there's a possibility we could still move lower. I mean, we did take the regular trading hour gap lows, so I'm still on regular trading hours. Other than that, I don't really have anything to say. Do I subscribe to this one? You can subscribe to this, but this isn't my personal channel. Subscribe to edgeful 100%. But my personal YouTube is Benjamin_ICT. Other than that, fellas, I think that might be pretty much it for me. I don't really got anything else left. So I think I might jump off. And I don't know if it depends on when my payouts get processed, but if I'll stream tomorrow if I'm able to trade my accounts. If it processes in time. But if it doesn't, then I'll see you guys on Friday. Other than that, I think that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for witnessing another major payout. And I'll see you guys in the next stream. Thank you, guys. I'll see you on Twitter. I'll be posting on Twitter. Subscribe. Thank you. How to join regularly? Oh yeah, it's just on my YouTube, Benjamin ICT. Congratulations, Ben. Thank you for being here. For us, and showing us the possible and showing us what's possible. Celebrate with your loved ones and fast enjoy this moment. Thank you so much, Brianna. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Unknown. See ya, Alla or Ayla. See ya, Unknown. Thank you, my man. Just now I see your channel. All right, thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. See you guys. See you, Henry. See you, Lorianne. Thank you guys for another amazing stream. And I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.